You still don't know how to do your makeup because you don't practice. So now pick up that makeup and sit down. Let's do this together.
Okay.
First thing you want to do is lay your eyebrows down.
I don't have an eyebrow gel. I'll be using my SAT. Yep. Lay your edges down. Okay.
Your skin has to be hydrated.
Okay, I'm using pumps to hydrate my own
My primer.
LA gel for priming. For prime.
While you're waiting on the primer to dry, you can cover your eyebrow.
Okay. I'll be using my owl.
Now that your primer is dry, you want to apply your concealer. Now apply foundation on the rest of your face.
The rest of my face.
Blend out. And now a very key step, setting spray. Blend the concealer with a flat brush.
Okay.
Some color back to my face. I'm going to go in with a bronzer. Blend your forehead into your hairline. Blend your cheeks in a circular upward motion. For your nose, you want to use a fluffy brush and blend it into your eyebrows. Use a beauty blender to blend the edges of your concealer. Now cream blush. Blend it out with a medium-sized dense brush. Spray again. Going with your pressed powder. Now we're going to go in with some bronzer. To set my under eye, I like to do my nose and my forehead. Powdered blush. Now let's dust off the powder. Now define your bronzer with a powder that is not too far from your actual shade. Now a fixing spray, just in case anything is looking questionable. For your lip combo, you want to grab your favorite lip liner. I'm waiting on my liner to dry down. I'm going to apply my highlighter.
A little.
To make my under eyes pop, I'm going to line it with a black liner. Finish off that lip combo. On the bottom lashes. Last step is a long-lasting setting spray. And we're done.